Everybody, Ben here from FiSBO Property. How are you? So, for instance, Sale by Owner, or FiSBO for short, is a real estate marketing platform with automation to help you sell your property. It can be done by any person or with one of our franchise partners in full service campaigns. All our campaigns include Trade Me, signage, social media, homes.co, and our full automation to help you, the owner, obviously with support, to get your property sold. Since our launch in 2021, we've helped owners sell more than $18 million worth of property, and we continue to prove that our model works and helps you to sell any property like this humble one here in Hastings, or any lifestyle or property that you want, okay? So we have campaigns for every budget. 1,500 plus GST will get you started on a DIY campaign. It'll include Trade Me, signage, homes.co, FiSBO, social media posts. All you need to do is write your script, which we'll tweak, of course, provide your photos, which we can give some guidance and support around, and you can run your own open homes. Or full service campaigns, start at $5,000, and you can have a person like me help you create and run your campaign, including open homes and private viewings. Most residential campaigns are capped at $7,000 for a 90-day campaign, and you'll be online till sold. Fill out one of the forms below and contact us now about buying. You'll go straight onto our database. 2, becoming a vendor and selling with our service. Or 3, if you're looking for to be a franchise partner, fill out that corresponding form. Browse our site. If you want to call me anytime, 0800 891 317, and learn more about our platform, and we'll all see you soon. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.